Hello my fellow Aldi addicts, it's Jackie. It is Thanksgiving week and I'm at Aldi to get my week of groceries. I really feel like I don't have a giant list this week. We are going to my mother-in-law's for Thanksgiving. I'm bringing a couple sides and I have about half the ingredients I need. And then of course I'm going to have Thanksgiving leftovers at least one meal this week, because what's the good of Thanksgiving if you don't eat it again the next day? And we have the rest of the week of groceries to get. Let's get into the store, get the week of goodies for Thanksgiving week, and see what Aldi has for us. Because my kids are going to be home longer than normal with very little school this week, I'm going to get some cinnamon raisin bread. Easy, lazy toast edition. $2.25, and all three of my kids love this. I'm making grilled cheese tonight, and I know we'll just eat whatever's not used for grilled cheese. My kids love this for grilled cheese, $3.99. My husband's gonna make Nashville hot chicken sandwiches on Sunday, $3.99 for brioche buns. White bread, PB&J's, toast. My husband and son love white bread, $1.29. Brussels sprouts, $1.89, just a side. Cilantro for tacos this week, 85 cents. I'm actually getting 3 bags of mini cucumbers. My kids are just eating these like they're candy, $1.89 a bag. And I also like to slice these in salads or in our Asian noodles I'm making this week. It's a great balance to the heat. So 3 bags at $1.89 a piece. My family loved the mac and cheese from Target. I was hoping we had the white version here at Aldi. We don't. I'm gonna look at one more spot, but if not, I'm going back to Target for it because the kids loved it. I ran out of eggs last week and I needed to come midweek to get more, so I'm gonna get more again. I do not like running out of eggs. $1.33 for the dozen. I'm gonna skip that one. There's a broken guy in there. 2% milk, $2.67. Definitely need this for my mashed potatoes. That's the side that I take to my mother-in-law's for Thanksgiving. Mashed potatoes. I also make green bean casserole, but I make the sauce instead of using cream and mushroom, and I need heavy cream for that, $4.69. It's the most wonderful time of the year when you get butter for $2.49. There's a limit of 6. When I came and got eggs, I also got butter. I bought 6 earlier and I'm buying 6 more because we use a lot for baking and it's such a good price. Okay, we're running low on tub butter as well, and of course with grilled cheese, I'm gonna need it, $2.29. Okay, getting my favorite bacon, the premium slice, $4.49. I use this in my green bean casserole, and then also for the Nashville hot, we'll have strips of bacon, $4.49. One of my favorite toppings, I love these pickled beets, $1.49. You can fight me if you want, but French style green beans are the best for green bean casserole. I'm getting 7 cans at 49 cents a piece. I'm just noticing a lot of these have the Aldi savers, so the discounted price. I'm getting celery for 95 cents. My kids like to munch on this, but I'm also making chicken noodle soup this week. Love seeing all these discounted red prices. I'm getting 2 Roma tomatoes to slice tomatoes for our chicken sandwiches, 95 cents a pound. I am out of ranch almost, and I can't deal with that, $3.35. I love this ranch. Pickle slices, $2.35 a jar for grilled cheese and the chicken sandwiches. This is one of the things that we never realize we're out of until you go to make one and you don't have any. $4.79 microwave popcorn. Look at these chunky knit throws for $19.99. I feel like my animals would ruin these, but they're super pretty looking. Also for $10, they have lots of fun Christmas pillows. Look at that happy guy. I don't know if I've never noticed it, but they have Hanukkah stuff out. I've never seen that before, including inflatables, doormats. They have different reversible signs. Different kitchen items. Still have all of the... Oh, these are vinyl tablecloths. Now this is what I have been looking for, a vinyl one. I love that. I'm gonna get this, $3.49 to go on my kitchen island. And then I'm probably gonna get, if I can find, a matching one. We are hosting a couple Christmases. I would like 2 of this one, but I don't think those look good together. Maybe I'll just stick with this one, I don't know. Oh, there's more. Okay, I'm gonna get 2 of this, one for my island, one for my kitchen table or dining room table for when we host. They're $3.49 a piece. Yay! I don't know the price on this because it's 100% not in the right area, but that is so pretty. Peace on Earth. I love that. They have 100-piece wooden toys for $12.99. So many Squishmallows. They have Harry Potter Squishmallows. Now that's crazy. I haven't seen that. Lots of different ones. Oh, of course, Slytherin. Fun. Different coloring, different kits. These are cute. A little squishy with a book. Lots of different fun Christmas gift ideas here. Black velvet pants. Oh, those are soft. She looks really cute in them. And then, of course, these have been pretty popular. Sequin pants. Oh, crushed blue velvet. I'm not fancy enough for those, but they are pretty. Different pajamas. A dress. $12.99. Getting into other items. Oh, how cute. A holiday dog toy. My dog needs no more toys, but drink up Grinches. Oh my god. I'm not buying any of these, but they are cute. And they're only $4.99. Lots of cards. They like refresh them. My daughter loved me getting her that one last week for her friend. It was a big hit. Little Cookies Bakery. I don't know if that's pretend or if you really do it, kind of like a mini Easy Bake Oven. And the whole other side is all Christmas. There's so many decorations. There's family pajamas, pet pajamas. So cute. XL, I still don't think would fit her. Maybe this year, but lots of fun items. Slippers, shoes, home for the holidays, hedgehog, candle holders, extendable gnomes. Lots of fun. And my son's absolute favorite, inflatables, $12.99. I bet he'd love this one. The gnome. Oh, there's a penguin, a tree, Santa, reindeer. Lots of fun items. I make rice packs. You heat them up. They're great for achy backs, sore knees, or whatever. Aches and pains. My kids love them. And I need to make more. They kind of use their useful life once you heat them up too much. But I'm going to get 3 bags of these at $2.19 a piece. I make it with soft flannel and I fill it with rice. Very simple. But I need rice to make them. $2.19 times 3. Okay, this is the other spot. I thought they might have white mac and cheese, but they don't. So I'm going to have to get that from Target to go with the Nashville hot chicken sandwiches. You're paying for the prettiness with these, but these are cheese roses. How cute. $4.99. I'm not getting it. Now that it's too late to thaw your turkey, it is on sale for 99 cents a pound. They still have every variety you could think of. And somehow we have tons of the sweet potato casserole. That surprises me. We're still not done with the meats. Oh, and they have them 30% off the marked price. So, hams. Now this broccoli looks very good to me. Kung Pao broccolis, marinated in sweet and spicy ginger sauce. I think I'll give that a try. $2.29. They have pizzas, ultra thin, different lobster and shrimp bites. Chicken breast patties. I've heard good things. I've never bought that. $16.79. Spinach appetizers. Red Robin steak fries. Hasselback potatoes. Cajun fries. The quiche. Breakfast meatballs. Yum. And of course, they still have pumpkin pies, gelato, the macarons, rolls. Also, I am going to get this giant tub of whipped cream. My son declared that he'd rather put this on his hot chocolate than the aerosol, so I'm all about that. $1.79. My kids' favorite cheese is this Mexican style. I'm gonna put it on the grilled cheese. They like it on salads. Easy. And since they're home most of the week, I'm getting 2 bags, $2.89. It's back to being a normal, $2.49. My older daughter is once again obsessed with hummus and veggies. I can't complain about that. I got all excited that this pie crust is on clearance for 97 cents, but it's not. It's just at the wrong spot. But they're on box tops for education, and I would have bought them and stocked up, but I was fooled. I used almost an entire container of this in my green bean casserole, so $2.95 for this. I'm going to get a pack of crunchy shells at $1.49. And then I'm also going to get tortillas for $1.95 for quesadillas. Easy meal addition when my kids are home, and we're also having tacos for dinner. So we'll use both of these between lunches and dinner. $3.65 for vegetable oil to fry the Nashville hot chicken in. I'll get one. I'm gonna get a flour at $1.99. This candy aisle looks the same as it has the last few weeks, but it really brings me so much joy being in here and it being all Christmassy. So beautiful. Ooh, these do look new though. These Winter Classic Chocolate Collection truffles. Look how beautiful. Oh, there's a chocolate. Oh, wait. Milk, white, and dark, and this one's holiday recipes. A couple different ones. Okay, we were here to grab last minute stuff earlier this week, and my son wanted to get these, but we were in the middle of going between places, and they went last in the car, so I promised I'd get them this week. $2.95 for ice cream bars. I had to walk all the way to the back of the store when I was almost done because I forgot onions, and I need onions. I'm completely out. I'm gonna get yellow onions, $1.49 for the bag. And this is my cart. Any guess on the total for the week? Well, I had to buy 6 bags, which I never do, at 12 cents a piece, but I have a new car and I forgot to move my bags over, so. Okay, I ended up needing 7 bags. I will not forget next week, but I'll probably put these in my bag stash. The total was $116.07. Thanksgiving week menu. Sunday we are having Nashville hot sandwiches with the brioche buns and the mac and cheese. I am gonna get the same from Target because we all loved it. We're making grilled cheese with tater tots that I found in the freezer and kiwi from last week. On Monday, my husband and I actually have a date night. It's a fundraiser for my kids' school, so the kids are having that and we get to go out. Sorry, kids. Tuesday, I'm making chicken noodle soup. I have rotisserie chicken in the freezer, and I will make homemade noodles for that. I'm having momofuku Asian noodles with different toppings and more rotisserie chicken for those that like the chicken. But last time I brought them up, you guys asked. These are momofuku noodles. I ordered them from Momofuku's website. They're based out of a restaurant. They're really good. They're air-dried Asian noodles with sauce packets. It's kind of like ramen, but it's much nicer than that. We really have liked what we've tried. We haven't had this flavor, so I'm interested to give it a whirl. But it's a super simple base to a dinner, and then we add the veggies and protein. Thursday's Thanksgiving. I am taking mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, and then a cake. The cake I'm not making, but you guys will see another video on that some other time. And then my mother-in-law makes the rest. And of course, what's great about Thanksgiving is leftovers. We're having leftovers of Thanksgiving on Friday, or we'll have leftovers on Saturday, whichever day, I don't know. And then Saturday or Friday, we'll have my daughter Elsie's request, beef tacos, rice, we have black beans, and all the fixins. Whether they do soft shell or hard shell, it'll be nice. And then we'll also use the taco items to make quesadillas because my kids only have 2 days of school this week, so they're home more than normal. This is our meal plan for the week. If you want to see how I make my homemade green bean casserole, you can check it out right here. It all started when I had a coworker that couldn't have Campbell's soup mixes, so I decided to make it from scratch, so it was gluten-free, and now I just prefer it that way. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.